guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves here again. So today I'm gonna show you the beauty mistakes you do in your shower when it is time to take your shower or your bath. There are some mistakes that we do. Today I'm gonna point them out to you. Keep watching this video. Now, the first mistake you do is the shampoo, then the conditioner. Yes, we've all done that before, but as time goes on, we realize that pre-pooing is very, very important. You can do this by using a conditioner in your hair first before you come in with the shampoo, or you can even put some oil on your hair for some minutes before you go in with the shampoo to wash it, because you know the shampoo strips our hair out of its natural oils and it is very harsh on our hair. So if you want to shampoo your hair, you have to give it some kind of protection, that is pre-pooing, and you can do this by using the conditioner as I said, or using some oils, or even doing a deep conditioner first. If you do this, you're gonna realize that your hair is gonna keep its natural oils, and it's also going to keep some hydration. If you continue doing the shampoo conditioner style as we used to do some years ago, you're going to strip your hair out of all its natural oils, and your hair is going to look very, very dry and less hydrated, and this is going to make it brittle and it's going to break off easily, and we do not want that. So this is beauty mistake number one that we do in the shower. Now, the second mistake we do is shaving too soon when we get into the shower, especially during the summer. You know, sometimes your friends call you, oh, let's go here, there, you know, and you are late. So you want to just get into the shower and just shave and, you know, get out, you know, just dress up and get out. But no, if you do that, you're going to increase your chances of getting bumps, or you're going to increase your chances of getting irritations. Now, if you want to shave, if you get into the shower, you have to stay under the shower for some time for the warm water to open up your pores and make shaving very, very easy and very, very gentle on the skin. This is going to prevent irritations and bumps afterwards. But you know, as impatient as we are, sometimes we just get into the shower and we start shaving. That is not the thing. You have to, you know, clean your body first. If you want to use a scrub or something, use it first. This is going to soften up the skin, open up pores, and make shaving very easy. Also, it's going to soften up your hair. So it's going to make shaving very, very easy and gentle on your skin. Now, the third mistake we do, and I know I'm also guilty of that sometimes, is not taking off our makeup beforehand. We just enter the shower with the makeup and we just wash off our face with our soap, you know, in the shower. But sometimes, you know, most of the times, these soaps we use for our body, they are not made to take off makeup. This is not their function, but we do that anyway because we are in a rush or we are a little bit lazy and all that. When you have makeup on, you are supposed to take it off outside the shower with your makeup remover. Take everything off before you enter the shower to take your bath. And even if you use these soaps, because you're not made for makeup removing, you realize that it doesn't really do a good job. It doesn't really clean it very well. And sometimes you are left with a little bit of, you know, an eyeshadow or mascara or something, and you have to clean it again when you get out of the shower. Now, beauty mistake number 4 is using too much product, that is too much soap in the shower. Are you somebody who will buy a bottle or 1 liter of shower gel and you're gonna use it up within a week or 2 weeks? If you do that, you are just using too much product. You know, our body contains natural oils. It secretes natural oils. And these soaps, especially the sulfur-based soaps, strips our bodies of these natural oils. So if you use too much soap, and especially if you allow the soap to stay on your skin for so long, it's going to strip your skin out of these essential oils that our body naturally secretes, and you're going to lose it, and you're going to end up with dry skin, and it's also going to increase your chances of getting wrinkles very, very early. It is not going to make your skin elastic. It's going to lose collagen, and we know collagen is responsible for making our skin elastic and hence making us look younger, you know. So if you don't have it, you're going to look older, and wrinkles and fine lines are going to set in. Now, another beauty mistake we do is not taking the chance and getting a very good manicure or pedicure after we come out of the shower. Now, after you take your shower, this is the time that your nails and your cuticles are so soft and supple, and you can easily trim them and shape them and get rid of all the unwanted parts. Your cuticles are opening up. If you want to shape your nails, give yourself a nice pedicure, the best time you will have to do it is when you get out of the shower. So take that opportunity and get yourself a good pedicure and manicure straight out of the shower. Now, another beauty mistake we do is using sponges and loofahs. Now, I'm not saying sponges and loofahs are bad. I use them too. But the problem is that, especially during the winter, when you use your sponge, how many people leave your sponges and loofahs outside under the sun to dry out? You know, when you put the sponge on your body, when you scrub your body, even though you might not see it, it gets rid of the excess, you know, the old skin cells, and these can sometimes be microscopic, so you do not see it very well with your eyes. Now, what happens? You're gonna leave your sponge hanging in the bathroom, and you're gonna use it again the next day, and the next, and the next, and the next. This is not hygienic, and all of the old skin and the unwanted epidermis stay in the sponge, and it secretes bacteria, so it is not healthy and it is not hygienic. If you want to use your sponge, after you use it, you have to leave it outside for the sun. You have to leave it outside in the sun to dry it out. Rinse it out very well and leave it in the sun to dry it out before you use it again. If you do not do that and you continue using and using and using, it is very, very unhygienic, and it's going to be a breeding place for bacteria. And that is why sometimes we get some rashes and some things on our skins that we do not even understand, where does this come from? I'm eating all rice, and I'm eating all rice and all that, so what is provoking this? Sometimes it is your sponge, so you have to check it out. Now, the final beauty mistake is making the water temperature too hot. I know we ladies are guilty of that. We want our water so hot, but this is not the best for our skin. Why am I saying that? When the water is too hot, it's gonna strip your skin out of its natural oils. It's gonna increase your chances of getting wrinkles and fine lines so early. It's gonna make you grow older. And if the skin loses its elasticity, it speeds up the aging process, and you're gonna look older than you are. You're gonna look older than you actually are. You realize that those who use very hot water to shower, they have dry, wrinkled skin. That is the reason. The water is too hot for your body and it cannot take it. So if you want to shower, I know sometimes it is tempting, especially in the winter, to use hot water, but it's not the best. You have to use lukewarm water. You know, it shouldn't have to burn your skin. It shouldn't have to be abnormally hot. So reduce your temperatures when you get into the shower. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.